Hello, you decadent creatives. Let's have a giveaway. Doesn't that sound like a great idea? I am so grateful that I reached 250 subscribers, and I want to thank each and every one of you. And the best way I can do that is to have a giveaway. So what will that include? Well, how about some 5x7 Yupo, a 3-pack of Ranger alcohol inks. You're going to need some blending tools from Pixis because those would be fun to play with. And how about 20 micro applicators, 5 applicators in 4 different sizes. I'll send a needle nose squirt bottle full of 91% alcohol. I'll send a small spray bottle with 91% alcohol. I'll send a needle nose bottle full of pinata brass. And there will be a needle nose bottle full of pinata silver. You'll need a small cross in order to have something to decorate. And to finish it off, I'll send you 10 brass blanks. In order to win this giveaway, this is only for subscribers. So you must be subscribed to my channel in order to win. If you have a question, leave a comment. But if you please leave a comment, that's how you can enter this giveaway. The winner will be drawn on April 15th, and the winner will be announced in a video. I will check your subscriber status prior to announcing the winner. The winner will have 5 days to email me to claim the prize, or I will select another winner. It's very simple. If you can check those boxes, you're entered. I want to wish you the best of luck, and I want to thank you so much for being a part of my channel. I can't tell you how grateful I am. I'm so excited that I reached 250 subscribers. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope it will be soon. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye.